Hello friends, welcome to Arithmetical for You. In the previous lecture of mathematics, we will discuss about transpose of the matrix. Now, in this lecture, we will discuss about symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. So, first of all, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for the latest update on the time. So, first of all is symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. Okay, so a square matrix, the condition is a square matrix. Suppose A is equals to Aij is said to be a symmetrical matrix. A square matrix is said to be a symmetrical matrix if the transpose of a matrix A dash is equals to A. Okay, it means the elements Aij is equals to Aji after the transpose of the matrix. For an example, like we have a matrix A which is contain the elements like root 3, 2, 3, 2, minus 1.5, minus 1, 3, minus 1 and 1. Now find the transpose of the matrix, then we will do change the columns, change the row with the columns. Okay, so the first row will change into the column root 3, 2 and 3. Then the second row replace with the column 2, minus 1.5 and minus 1, and the third and last row change with the column 3, minus 1 and 1. Now in the both of case, the A dash is equals to A. Okay, A dash is equals to A. So the matrix A is symmetric matrix. Okay guys, now skew symmetric matrix. So for the skew symmetric matrix, skew symmetric matrix, square matrix, square matrix like A is equals to Aij is called skew symmetric matrix if the condition is A transpose is equals to minus of A matrix. Okay, it means the element of matrix Aij is equals to minus Aji. Okay, now we will put I is equals to j, then the condition is Aii is equals to minus of Aii, or it means 2 Aii is equals to 0. It means Aii is equals to 0. So that means all the diagonal elements of the skew symmetric matrix is 0. It means all the diagonal elements of the skew symmetric matrix are 0. Okay, so this is the condition of the skew symmetric matrix, and this is the condition of the symmetric matrix. Now we have two theorems. So first theorem is said that theorem number first, for any square matrix, let's suppose an example is Aij in a square matrix. The condition of square matrix is n is equals to n. Okay, with the real number and entries, it means this is not contain imaginary number like iota is not contained by this matrix. So the summation of matrix A plus summation of transpose of the matrix A dash is symmetric matrix. And A matrix minus with the transpose of the A matrix is equals to skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Now prove this theorem. So for the proof this theorem, now we will prove this theorem. So first is, let the B matrix is equals to A plus A dash. It means we will prove for the symmetric matrix. So in the result we will get the matrix of B. So take a transpose of the matrix B dash. So the B dash is equals to A plus A dash whole dash. Okay. Now the A plus A dash whole dash is equals to by the property of the transpose is A dash plus A dash and dash. It means the A dash plus A transpose and after transpose is equals to A transpose and then transpose is equal to A by the property of the transpose of matrix, and this is B dash. Okay, it can call A plus A dash B dash, and this is also B. It means B dash is equals to B. So the B equal to A plus A dash is symmetric matrix. Hence proof. Now for the next, now let what the B is equal to, actually we let previously, now let C is equals to A minus A dash, then take whole transpose, then C dash is equals to A minus A dash and whole dash. So the A minus A dash transpose is equal to by the property of the transpose is A transpose minus A transpose whole transpose, and the A transpose whole transpose is equals to A. So the A transpose minus A equal to C transpose. So take a minus common, the minus A transpose is equals to C transpose. Then the C transpose is equals to minus, this is actual C minus C. So the C is equals to the condition of the skew symmetric matrix. So the C is A minus A dash is skew symmetric matrix. Hence proof. Okay, now the second theorem is theorem second. Second theorem is, any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Okay, any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of a symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Okay, it means the A is equals to 1 by 2 A plus A dash plus 1 by 2 A minus A dash. Here this part will be the symmetric matrix and this part will be the skew symmetric matrix. Okay, to prove this theorem we will take an example like the matrix. For example, we have a matrix B is equals to like 2 minus 2 minus 4. -1, 3, 4, 1, -2 and -3. Okay. Now express this matrix as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So first of all, we will express in the terms of symmetric matrix. So take first of all B transpose. It means change the row with the columns. So in the changing of the column, we will get the transpose of the matrix like this: -1, 3, 4, 1, -2 and -3. Okay, so this is the transpose of the matrix B. Now this is the part of the symmetric matrix. So let an example P is equals to 1 by 2 B plus B dash. Okay, it means 1 by 2 matrix B is 2, -2, -4, -1, 3, 4, 1, -2, -3 plus with the B dash. It means transpose of the matrix B. -1, 1, -2, 3, -2, -4, 4 and -3. Okay, so the addition of the matrix is 1 by 2 is equals to 4, -3, -3, -3, 6, 2, -3, 2, -6. Okay, divided by the 2 matrix, then 2 -3 by 2 -3 by 2 -3 by 2 3 1 and -3 by 2 1 -3. So this is P. Take P dash, find the P dash. P dash is change the row with the columns. So here we take 2 -3 by 2 -3 by 2 -3 by 2 3 1 -3 by 2 1 -3 is equals to also P. So here we will prove that this is the sum of symmetric matrix for the any square matrix. Okay, now we will prove for the skew symmetric matrix also. Then take an example for the skew symmetric matrix. Similarly, we have a matrix B for the skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric, then example is B matrix is similarly 2, -2, -4, -1, 3, 4, 1, -2 and -3. Okay. Now the transpose of matrix is equals to 2, -2, -4, -1, 3, 4, 2, -2, -4, -1, -3, -4, 1, -2, -3. This is the transpose of matrix B. Now this is the part of skew symmetric matrix. So let an example, this is Q is equals to 1 by 2 B minus B dash is equals to 1 by 2. The value of B is 2 -2 -4. Okay, then -1 3 4 1 -2 and -3 minus with the matrix of transpose of P 2 -1 1 -2 3 -2 -4 4 -3. So here 1 by 2 is equals to 0 -1 -5 1 0 6 5 -6 and 0. So here we can see that the main diagonal of the matrix is 0, and this is the property of the skew symmetric matrix. Okay, then equals to divide by the 1 by 2 a scalar quantity, multiply the scalar quantity with the matrix, the 0 minus 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2 1 by 2 0 3 5 by 2 minus 3 and 0. Now take the transpose of the matrix Q. And find the Q dash is equals to 0 minus 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2 1 by 2